Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Identity Services Engine ISE. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Identity Services Engine is: what is Cisco ISE and what is its primary purpose? Your answer should be: Cisco ISE is a security policy management and control platform that automates and enforces secure access to network resources. Its primary purpose is to provide identity-based access to network resources. Our next interview question is: explain the main components of Cisco ISE. Your answer should be: Cisco ISE consists of Policy Service Nodes PSN, Monitoring and Troubleshooting Nodes MNT, and Policy Administration Nodes PAN. PSN enforces policies, MNT logs and monitors, and PAN manages policies and configurations. Our next interview question is: what authentication methods does Cisco ISE support? Your answer should be: Cisco ISE supports various authentication methods including 802.1x, MAB, MAC authentication bypass, wave authentication, and guest services. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ISE integrate with Active Directory for user authentication? Your answer should be: Cisco ISE can integrate with Active Directory using Lightweight Directory Access Protocol LDAP or Active Directory Agent. It queries AD for user and group information to make access decisions. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between 802.1x and MAB authentication. Your answer should be: 802.1x is a port-based authentication where devices must authenticate before gaining access. MAB is MAC-based authentication, allowing devices to authenticate based on their MAC address if 802.1x is not supported. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the Cisco ISE Policy Service Node PSN? Your answer should be: the PSN is responsible for enforcing network access policies. It evaluates policies and makes decisions regarding whether to permit or deny access to network resources based on their user's identity and other attributes. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of policy sets in Cisco ISE. Your answer should be: policy sets in Cisco ISE are collections of authentication and authorization policies. They define how identity and access policies are applied to different types of network traffic or user roles. Our next interview question is: what is COA change of authorization in Cisco ISE and when is it used? Your answer should be COA is a feature that allows Cisco ISE to dynamically change the authorization of a user or device during an active session. It is used to revoke or change access privileges based on changing conditions or policies. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.